Questions need book review. Aside from that, my love, I do not know why you stopped texting me. You do not believe me, and now I have gotten everything ready for our happy life. Please do not let those facts devise you anymore. The only problem I am facing right now is for my network should be fixed because without you my internet I cannot come and stay with you in my countries because my internet is different from your country. I am here for you and I want to be with you. These are the steps I have for you. What you said was all a lie, my love. I do not know why you stopped texting me. You do not believe me, and now I have gotten everything ready. Our for you happy life. Please do not let those fake device you anymore. I am here for you and I want to be with you. These are the steps I have for you. What you said, all a lie. Love of me, life. You are first thing I think of when wake up, and I am looking forward to a life where I will wake up next to you, not needing to imagine you because you will be sleeping right there next. Only you are my forever, the one I choose to love in this life and beyond. The bond we share is unbreakable and eternal love that transcends times. With you, I have discovered the true meaning of everlasting love. Your love is my anchor, grounding me through the storms of life. Our love is like an internal flame burning brightly even in the darkest time. I view to love you for all eternities, cherishing every moment we share have together. You are my soulmate, the one my heart is longing for in every time. Together, our love story will continue to unfold, beautiful through the ages. My love for you is a promise, a commitment that will never waver. You fill my heart with love. Is feel, stay feed. Now that I have someone as amusing as you in my life. The cuteness of your smile and the taste of your lips as all I needed to live up to. You are the dream come true. Baby, you are my inspiration, the reason why I smile joy and everything my heart. The rest of my life, I love you from the depth of my heart. Have a wonderful day ahead. Every time you walk into a room, I can feel my heart skip a bit. You make the blood in my veins rush the through me feel with a fair possessions. You bring color to my check. You are everything that keeps me going. I want to love you with all my heart till the end of time. I love you so much that I want to be a part of every single moment of your life. I want to be there with you to share everything that you do every day. I want to be your side when you wake up every morning. I want to kiss your forehead every morning.